Namaskar all. Thank you for watching my channel Yoga with Indian Yogi. The benefits of Amrit Pranayama. I will go in a little description. What is Brahmari? So Brahmari is like a bee, humming bee. That sound, what the yogis have been discovered years ago. Brahmari, basically it is practiced when you enter in a deep state of meditation. Not only meditation, it is very effective to enter into deep state of samadhi. So please stay tuned. This is a very nice video. Nobody brought this topic, nobody brought this idea. The working of Brahmari, deep impression on your soul, on your internal body. This is a very important thing you should know. Boundary. As we practice, we cover up all these bars. The practice is to raise, to awake your inner voice through vibrations. Now, the benefits of boundary would come from heart, Anahat Pradesh or chakra. When you make this voice, means you're calling that sound. So basically, this chakra, Anahat, which has a vast presentation on your own personality. So, how much your heart chakra is active, you have that compassion. So, when you call that vibration energy, that energy enters to your heart and this chakra starts to blossom. So this is the main beauty. Why? Because first you need to control over your emotions. Until your emotions are not in control, you cannot go beyond into your practice. So this is the reason in Brahmari why you focus on your heart. Because first thing, the first effect it raises on heart chakra. Now would come, you are in your position, the spine is straight, ears are stopped, they are closed, the eyes are covered. Now you may focus, you may observe, you are keep making that noise. If you will focus on, there are three words in Om. Basically, we call the sound of Om, which is the universal sound. So Om starts here. You will feel like a bee. It awakens your throat chakra. What happens on throat chakra? All your communication. Sometimes you may feel when you start to become like dull, you start to get negative impact. Why does it happen? Because your throat chakra is very sensitive. Throat chakra has the impression on your personality, how you are, what is your internal side. This is the representation of your own form, your personality. So what happens when you call her? Your throat chakra is active, especially people when they have thyroid disorder. This is very effective to maintaining the thyroid. If there are any problem related with thought, pronounce it hard. When you reach on the sound of you raise the voice, you come on you may find this third eye channel. If you know third eye channel, this is the door of your intellectual world. Who you are. So if you are interested, how can enter your own self, how to feel your presence, this more Pradesh is basically Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. We bring three gods. You also call their names. So when you talk about this upper body, you're calling Shiva. So that's the reason for meditation. The upper part is considered for your intellectual body. So this is the main working of Brahmari Pranayama in which you grow these three states. So first you are asleep, you are just sleeping. So it awakens, it makes you up, wake up. Second thing, it opens up your communication. When your communication is, means you are active. Now the third thing to decide if it is proper or not means your intellectual learning. So this is very interesting, very important. That in memory, what kind of energy you have, that big resource, big presence of that natural appearance. You have everything inside, and you may use it accordingly for awakening your own positive energy. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked, I think one like is there. You may press that button, subscribe the channel, and put your comments. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for staying. Namaste.